Create a USA channel and earn thousands of dollars. You've probably come across many videos claiming this, but is it actually possible? Can someone living outside the USA create a channel targeted at the US audience and monetize it? The answer is yes. You absolutely can. However, there are a few misconceptions like needing a USA address, which I'll clarify for you in this video. Stay tuned because by the end of this video, you'll have no confusion about creating a USA channel. Plus, I'll share 4 top faceless niches to help you start earning big. Let's dive in. Why create a USA channel? The biggest reason is high RPM, revenue per mil. Let me explain. YouTube earnings per 1,000 views vary by country. Channels from countries like India often get 60 cents to $2.40 per 1,000 views, whereas a USA channel can earn anywhere between $2 and $15 for the same views. Why is there such a huge difference? It's because companies in countries like the USA are willing to spend more on ads. For instance, in countries with younger audiences or limited spending power, companies experience lower ad conversions, so they pay less. But in developed countries like the USA, advertisers see better results, which means higher payouts for creators. Top 4 faceless niches for high earnings. Number 1, sports channels. Just like cricket dominates in countries like India, Pakistan, Bangladesh, sports like football, basketball, and baseball are extremely popular in the USA. Did you know 75% of Americans love watching football? Basketball attracts 56% of viewers. Baseball is loved by 50% of the population. Creating a channel around these sports can get you tons of views. Just make sure your content is original, no copy pasting. Use your voice for narration, or if you're not comfortable speaking in English, you can generate a voice using AI tools. Number 2, AI and technology channels. AI is one of the hottest topics right now. Every day, new AI tools and applications are being launched. You could create a channel where you review these tools and explain their features. For example, a video titled Top 5 Best AI Tools could showcase websites that generate images, videos, scripts, or even audio. Here's a pro tip. Add affiliate links for the tools you mentioned. Many websites offer affiliate programs. Just sign up, get your unique link, and include it in your video description. Every time someone uses your link to make a purchase, you'll earn a commission. Number 3, finance and money-making channels. The finance niche has the highest RPM, sometimes reaching up to $21 per 1,000 views. You can create videos about investing and personal finance, stock markets and crypto, real estate tips, freelancing, digital marketing, dropshipping, and other online money-making strategies. Even with fewer views, finance channels generate significant revenue because advertisers are willing to pay more for this niche. Number 4, motivation and self-improvement channels. Everyone loves motivational content and self-improvement tips. For example, you could make a video titled 5 self-improvement habits that will change your life. Discuss habits like waking up early, learning new skills, exercising daily, practicing meditation, avoiding negative people. Explain the benefits of these habits in your videos. If you need help creating scripts, tools like ChatGPT can make the process easier. Address and verification for USA channels. You might wonder if selecting USA as your country of residence on YouTube will automatically get you views from the USA. The short answer is no. To attract a US audience, you need to create content that resonates with them. This means researching trending topics in the USA, making videos in English, optimizing your channel and video SEO. For better reach, set your channel language to English United States in the settings. Add relevant keywords to your channel name, description, and tags based on your niche. These small changes will help your channel rank better for US viewers. When it comes to YouTube verification, you'll need to provide accurate details like your phone number, bank account, and government ID. If you're not in the USA, use your real information. Once your channel gets monetized, YouTube will send a digital pin to verify your address. I'm currently working on a USA channel myself, and I'll be sharing more tips soon. If you want a detailed video on any specific step, let me know in the comments. That's all for today. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful content. See you in the next video. Take care.